name is Shi Heng Yi. I love to practice the martial arts. I love to practice movement by itself. But my main idea is the question, how can I use all of these abilities, all of these skills to then improve your overall life? Why engaging in combat training is because it's shaping the character. It's shaping the internal qualities.
3, 3, 3 behind.
Not in order for you to fight against somebody else. No, but to learn and fight to bring out the best of yourself. Because this is the most difficult fight in this lifetime. The fight between you and yourself.